Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Wondershare Filmora to edit your video. Okay, let's get into it guys. So I have opened my Filmora application from my PC, and if we want to edit video, we need to create new project, and you can choose a video you want to edit using Filmora. You can click on import and you can import the videos, audios, or photos. It's up to you, and for me, I'm just going to choose this video and I'm going to import one more video. Wait, let me choose the video guys. I'm going to choose this one. Alright, and if we want to edit the video, we need to bring it to the timeline or the track, and then I'm just going to choose match to media. Okay, like this, and I'm going to show you the basic editing tools in Filmora. Okay, you can use the basic tools here. For example, you can split your video here using this tool and crop your video, add text and drawing tools. Okay, you can explore more tools here, and you will be able to speed up your video, doing keyframe, and then changing the duration. It's up to you. Okay, and you can go to this menu if you want to insert something, for example audio or transitions, effect, filters, or stickers. And for me, I'm just going to apply transition to my video. I'm going to go to the transition and I'm going to select let's try this one. Okay, now the transition has been applied. This is how it looks, and we can go to this menu as well. You can click on your video until your video is active and you will get the menu here. You can go to the video menu and you will get basic, mask, and also the AI tools and animation. And for the audio, you will get all these features or tools and color. Okay, here you will be able to remove the background of your video and then blend your video or rotate it. That's up to you. And then I'm just going to add, for example, audio to my project, and you can use audio from the Filmora or you can use your own audio, and I'm just going to use the audio from here. You need to remember that we need to download the audio before we use it. Okay, and if you want to export, just click on this export menu, but I think we need to log in first to export our video. Okay, you can use your Google account, your Facebook, or Twitter. It's up to you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Filmora to edit a video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.